Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you the best trays that you can use for pies. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I like this one when you're making pies without a very runny filling and they're not too deep. It's got a removable base like this, which is quite easy to remove. Once you've made your short crust pastry, usually short sweet crust pastry, you put it in there properly and it's baked. After blind baking, you have a nice crust. Blind baking is when you use these baking beans, or some people use something else. So you put your short crust pastry in there, put your baking beans, you just follow the recipe. Baking beans, blind bake, and then you add your filling on top. And when it bakes, you lift your pie out like that. It's very simple. And these single deep pie dishes are great for fillings that are quite deep. So apple pies, blueberry pies, or pies like that, quiches, vegetable tarts, they're great. You can leave your pies to cool completely in there or until warm, and then you cut the slices and you leave them in there. You don't need to put it on a serving plate like with these ones. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.